Hi, I'm Skylar,
And I'm Rob.
and I just wanted to thank you all for coming to Restoration Atlanta, and specifically I would like to thank you guys for helping for writing letters to prisoners. I helped with that, and it's just really rewarding to get to encourage someone who you don't even know, who maybe they are feeling hopeless and having just one bad day after the next, and that we get to play a part in making someone's day who we don't even know. So thank you guys so much for coming out for that.
I was the project leader for today, and I just want to send a huge thank you to you guys for writing. We have a huge pile outside that we'll be sending off shortly. So I just want to thank you guys that a little creative note like this can actually turn into these. These are responses that I've gotten back over the last year from some of the guys that are in the transitional facility, and it means the world to them that we can just make a difference in this community through one little note. So if you guys want to come by, we do this every Friday here at CCF at the house. We just have a couple tables set up, and you can write a note or two or 10 if you really want. So we'd love to see you guys come back and continue to make a difference.
Thank you!